These three items, just these three items, will change your financial situation. It will turn around your financial situation. If your business is experiencing low sales, if your life is experiencing a backward movement, these three items, if you could get it, that will not, you won't spend so much money on, and you prepare it and you listen to me, it will change the situation. Within 9 days, I am assuring you, within 9 days, this will change. It will change, definitely. I can assure you, just three items. Thank you for joining me today. I want to share with you three items you need to prepare and put together that will form a very powerful energy around you and begin to break the power of debt. If you are struggling with debt, you have debt to pay, you have money you are owing, and you are finding it difficult to pay that money, and you want to pay, these three items will break it. It break any financial obstacle that is put around an individual. If the business is not moving, it will break it. If there is money if your life has been obstructed in such a way you find it difficult to make ends meet, then these three items will do the magic that you need. I can assure you, it's a spiritual work that is a secret that has been there for ages. So what are the items you need? What are the items you need? You need first your early morning urine. The very first item you need is your early morning urine. You just need your early morning urine. The one you urinate before you ever speak or utter a word to any mortals. Even if you have to if you wake up 3 a.m., 4 a.m., 5 a.m., 6 a.m., whatever time you wake up first in the morning, that urine that you go and urinate, that is the one you need. Collect it into a bowl. Just get any bowl, any container, and collect it. All of it, collect it. That is the first item you need. Then the next item you need cloves. You need cloves. You need cloves. Here we call it in Yoruba language, kanafuru. You need like a handful of cloves. You need it. You need a handful of cloves. So, and then the third item you need is your Bible, because you are going to chant Psalm 24. Psalm 59 and Psalm 121. You need to chant Psalm 24, Psalm 59, and Psalm 121. You are chanting this psalm 3 times each. You will chant each of these psalms 3 times. Those are the items you need. You could see these items are readily available to you. You could easily reach out for it now. I want you to give it a trial now. Don't just watch. Don't just write it down. Don't just document it. I want you to take steps so that you can get off that burden, that bondage that is around you. So you can break that power, that obstruction they have placed on you, so that you could move forward. Take step now. Once you finish watching and you are listening to me, tomorrow morning, be the first thing you will do. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I want to encourage you, I want to ask you, please subscribe. Hit the subscriber button, hit the notification bell, and then subscribe. And then give me a thumb up if this content is of benefit to you. You can even share it with any of your friends, your colleague, your family member who you know is struggling, and they will thank you for it, for bringing them this information. And you can also encourage me by buying me a coffee. If you feel you need to do consultation, you want to do a consultation, you can reach out to me. I will do the consultation for you. I don't charge. You only give me a free will offering of your choice. So you could reach out to me. My WhatsApp number is on the screen. Reach out to me and then we'll take it from there. Now, you have gotten those 3 items that I've named before, which is 1, your early morning urine, your first early morning urine. The second item you get is cloves, which we call here kanafuru. You get cloves, and then you get your Bible to chant Psalm 24, Psalm 59, and Psalm 121. You chant them twice. You chant them, 3 times each. You chant them. Now, how do you prepare this item? Now, once you have collected your early morning urine into a bowl, then the next day, empty that early morning urine, empty it into a bottle, whether a PET bottle, a plastic bottle, or a normal bottle. Empty that your early morning urine into it, and then empty the cloves, the handful of cloves that you have gotten. Empty it also into that early morning urine, and then you shake it together very, very well. You shake it very, very well, and then that is done, is ready. You have, that's all. That's it. Is very, very simple. Once, and you keep it for that day till night. You start bathing it. This bath is a bath you have to take at night. At night, you are taking the bath at night. So you keep it like that for just that day. And then when it is the night, you are back from your place of business, your place of work, wherever you are, and it is night, you take that item that you have, the early morning urine and the clove that you have put together in a bottle. Then you open your Bible. Of course, you will have cocked it back. Then you open your Bible to Psalm 24 and Psalm 59 and Psalm 121, and you chant them 3 times each over that item, and you pray your desire into that item. So how are you going to use it? Please, I want you to pay attention. If you are a female, you are going to use this item. You are going to be adding a portion of this item into your bathing water for 7 days. If you are a female, you are going to add a portion of this your early morning with the clove for 7 days at night. You are using it to bathe at night with any soap of your choice. So you use it to bathe at night for 7 days if you are a female. If you are a male, it is for 9 days. You do yours for 9 days and you use it to bathe. You keep adding it to your bathing water. Let me assure you, if you do this after those 7 days if you are a female and 9 days if you are a male, you will definitely experience a change. You will. I assure you, you will see the light at the end of the tunnel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I want to encourage you to subscribe and hit the notification button. Thank you very much. My WhatsApp number is on the screen if you want to reach out to me for anything. Thank you very much. See you some other time.